Hello, hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to talk about Cursor AI tool. So first I explain what is that cursor.com. So this is the website of them. This will provide a IDE where we can give prompt and get the code which is working production ready. I just explain what is cursor first. What is the simple explanation? Probably Cursor is an AI-powered code editor that helps developer to write, understand, and improve code faster. We can think like Cursor is like a VS Code plus AI coding assistant inside the editor itself. That is how we can think of how Cursor would be. Instead of switching to ChatGPT or other AI tools, you can ask the AI directly inside your IDE to generate, explain all the codes. Say for example, we can create a simple REST API and it will give the out of the box curl requests, all those things. First I explain who founded Cursor. Cursor is founded by any Spear company. If you go down, it's called any Spear. So this is most used from many Fortune 500 companies such as OpenAI, Nvidia, Figma, Adobe. Most of the companies are using this cursor for their productivity increase. Today we just try a simple REST API application just like a vibe coding. I already installed cursor in my laptop, so you can go and download here and it will give the DMG file. Simply we can follow along what is the instructions which the DMG file prompts. Finally, once we install, the application looks like this. Is the cursor app. If you see the version, right now I'm using the version 2.6. So it is built on top of VS Code. If you see here, this will look more like a VS Code only. Yeah. So today I'm going to show the demo. So basically, I want to create one library management STP app where I want to add, remove, and update the library items catalog. So I just give the prompt. I want to create a library management REST API where I want to do CRUD operations, create, read, update, delete, CRUD operations. I want to use Spring Boot and I want to use H2 as a database. So what we can say, also give me the curls for testing the application in Postman. I'm just giving this to line. Let's see how it works. See, it start creating POM XML. After that, properties files. So I said I need H2, so it's giving H2 database. This is a basic controller layer. And I said library, so automatically it understood library will have books and it will create a book entity. Okay, and then repo. Repo will do the transactions in the database, H2 database directly, and it is generating the service layer code as well. Also, it gave the controller. Controller is the first endpoint where I will do the add or CRUD operations. Now it gave the curl command, what to do, all those things. If you want, I can add next global exception handling. So for now, this is fine. So we got the information right now. So let me run this particular. Okay, now I'm not going to run by myself. I ask cursor to do it. Okay, can you run this application so that I just test the API endpoints? Okay, now it is creating. Basically, I test whether it is having. Okay, it's not working. Let me see how this handled. Undo keep. Okay, I need to put keep all. Basically, when I do ls-ltr, it shows the POM XML and the files. Let me Maven clean install. I try to run clean install. Now it start building my application. The build is success. Okay. Now I want to execute this code. Just looking for that option. Read attempted. Okay. Can you run and show me the port 8080 is up so that I test this out. Okay, it's having some error, so it's auto fixing by itself. Now Spring Boot app is getting bootstrap. Let's see. You see, guys, this is doing some fixes. Open external terminal. Okay, this is doing some activity. You see, okay, your port is it is up and running. Okay, now we can test this out. How do I test? API URL, API books. Okay, maybe I have a curl here. If I have curl, I can directly test it in Postman. Okay, I got the Postman. Now I import this curl. I import. Okay, no need to just test it out. Okay, it's API books. Right now, response is coming, but without books details. Now I need to add some book. Uh, okay, here we go. I need to you check the console of H2 database. That how do I test? I hit this. Why this is not working? Okay, H2 console. It's supposed to work. Okay, we'll check this out. Give curl for adding books and reading books. Okay, I just give this two only. Okay, this is the curl command to add the books to the library. Okay, in the body it's a clean code robot. Okay, I'm trying to add this. Yeah, now it's added. So previously we have a get request. Now we try to hit. See, whatever we added, it has been displayed. I try to add one more book to this collection. Cursor application API doc. Okay, I need to put cursor dev team. Okay, for now it is 2026. Just trying to add this. What it says. Try to give different ISBN number. Now it is created because the primary key it look for is ISBN number. Now if I see here, I will get to actually the previous one now somewhere. So this is how, so it's working for creating reading. So this is the power of cursor, guys. Here I didn't do any coding. I just gave the prompt in a right way. So it created the application out of the box. So in the interest of time, I want you guys also try it out. Probably we can give more valuable prompt, more meaningful prompt, more specific prompt to get our exact use case to be done. Here I didn't added any exception handling, any documentation, any logging mechanisms. So if we give a right prompt with the detailed one, I think we will get the applications right away within minutes. That is what the demo is all about, guys. Thanks for watching.